Do you want to be able to fix your TikTok privacy settings? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my TikTok app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right now. So you need to go to your profile right here, and now when you're on your profile, then you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And in here we're going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. And then as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll down until I can see where it says report a problem. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem in here. And then it's just going to load here for us. Perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken here. What we need to do in here is to just scroll down and click where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report in here. Just going to load perfectly. We're now taken here. So I'm just going to write something like this to TikTok. I am having problems with my TikTok privacy settings. Then just explain to TikTok the exact problem and explain it as detailed as you can. So explain to them what kind of problem that you have, and when you're done, write something like this. This function is very important for my TikTok user experience. So basically you need to write something like this. I'm having problems with my TikTok privacy settings. Then you explain to them exactly what kind of problem that you had with the TikTok privacy settings, and then write this function is very important for my TikTok user experience. So exactly, this function is very important for my TikTok user experience. You can also write, please fix this. And now when you're done, just click on submit in here, as you can see. And now it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to actually reply back to you. And when they have actually replied back to you, then hopefully this will actually be solved for you. So basically this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.